Hello mga ka-Twinder! Hi Randy! Thank you for the dinner. It was delicious. Thank you for the beer too. Hi mga ka-Twinder! Update tayo sa storm for tonight. We had typhoon or what is it what do you call it here? Hurricane, tornado? Tornado. Ayan, the storm is getting harder now. The bad weather is just playing. So, oh my God, look at the wind. Look at the wind outside, Daddy. Look at the swimming pool. Oh, look at that. So bad right now. Uh-oh. I need to move some of the stuff right there because maybe the water is going to get inside. So, ayan na mga katwinder. I know, but the thing, the water is going to get in here and the water in the front. Do we have boxes in the front? I put brake so the dogs can escape. Oh, look at the rain. Oh my God. So cool. Swimming pool is so cool. Last night we have lunar eclipse. The total eclipse of the heart. And the Bloody Mary moon. Alright, but now we have storm. What was that meaning? Oh my goodness, look at that. And all around is relaxing, is trying to. Oh, wow! What a beautiful place. Where's that? In the Philippines? Maganda rabbit. My dog is with me, and that one. Fiona's scared of bad weather. She's the one who's scared of the lightning and the thunder. The swimming, the waterfalls, road. I don't know what's that. So my piña, hopefully my piña is growing because the rain, a lot of water. My ginger, oh my ginger is sinking now. Too much water for my ginger out there. And my spinach, oh my goodness. How about the chicken? Are they okay there? Chicken safe. Oh, I will see. I will look inside if the water get inside and so I can move some boxes. You wanna go inside, dog? You're scared? Come on, get inside. Okay, go inside. Terry. Okay. You go in your house now. Come on. Fiona, Terry. Fiona. Come on, Fiona. 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 Go. Ethan, quiet. Pablo. Pablo, come on, hurry up. So I need to put together Terry and Fiona because Fiona scared of the bad weather. So, okay. Mga ka-twin bell, so i-check ko lang dito kasi yung minsan pag nagwi-wind and with the hard rain, pumapasok yung tubig sa harapan. Hey, why are you still out? You need to go upstairs. You need to go in your room. Go in the bed, Mama. Tintin, go in the bed. Okay? Nobody in there. Hey, go in the bed na. Go in the bed na. Go. Hey, all go sleep na. Okay, sleep na. Nandun pa pala kayo, ha? Ayan, matulog na. Natakpan na rin yung aking bird. So, ayan. Good night na, okay? Good night na. So, kailangan, ayan mga ka-twinbell. So, grabe naman yung ulan, uy, no? So, ayan, hindi na yan, para hindi mabasa yung aking balikbayan boxes, you know. Kasi na-stuck tayo dun sa ano. Alam mo mga ka-twinbell, ilang buwan na kami dito pero hindi naman namin na ano yung mga boxes. Andyan pa rin. Hindi pa rin namin na-open yung mga, ay nako, mga tamad talaga kami. So, Yan na natin. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Tamad talaga kami. Nakakapagod. Wala naman kasi akong time para mag-open ng mga boxes. No? So, yun lang mga ka-twin bell. Check ko yung sa harapan. Lakas kasi ng ulan. Super lakas. Pag ano sa, ano yung hangin, harap dito, mapasok yung water. So good na hindi naman umano na yung hangin. Kasi, alam nyo, sobrang lakas. Medyo tumila na. So, ayan. No? Ayan. Tahimik na. So, sana hindi maano yung hangin. Pag ano, parang hindi napasok yung water. Ay, naka. Alright, mga katumbaw. Yun lang ang ating update. Ito pa rin kami sa labas ni Habi. Nasa ko na yung mga aso. Tayan ko na rin para makatulog na rin ang aking mga batuta. So, balik na ako sa labas kasi ako tapos uminom. Ayan. Alright. Bye-bye mga katumbaw. Thank you so much. Bye.